Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of September. And first of all, national news. India elected to Global Anti-Corruption Platform Steering Panel in China. President Murmu visited Siachen base camp, told to soldiers all citizens salute their bravery. AFSPA extended in parts of Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh for 6 months. Monsoon in Maharashtra likely to withdraw by October 5 IMD. PM Modi's Pune visit cancelled amid heavy rainfall. Now some international news. Israel vowed to keep fighting Hezbollah until victory. French President Macron supported India's bid for permanent membership in UNSC. Russia's Putin issued nuclear warning to the West over strikes from Ukraine. France and the US are working on a plan for a 21-day ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. And now some sports news. AICF announced 3.2 crore rupees rewards for Olympiad winning teams. India thrashed Mongolia 4-1 in AFC Under-20 Asian Cup qualifiers. India poised to extend supremacy over Bangladesh. And business related news. Sensex jumped 666 points to record high. Nifty closed above 26,200 on global stocks rally. Dassault Aviation created new company for MRO in India. Gold loan segment to hit rupees 10 lakh crore this fiscal. And clean energy, hit by China's predatory pricing, India exploring ties with West. And that's all in news. Thank you.